the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 27 from verse 1 to verse 26. Early in the morning, all of the head priests and Jew elder, they meet up and make up their mind to kill Jesus. Them tie him up, carry him go away, and hand him over give Pilate, the governor. When Judas, the one where did sell him out, see them give over Jesus for them kill him. Him sorry about what him did do and carry back the 30 silver coin them or give the head priest and elder them. Hear him now? Me sin. Cause me sell out somebody when they do nothing wrong. But them say to him, say, what that have to do with we? A few problem that. Go and go deal with that yourself. So Judas threw down the silver coin them in a God's house and left there so. Then him go away, go hang himself. The head priest them take up the money and say, it no right for you put the money here with God money, cause a blood money this. So them talk with them one another and make up their mind to take the money, buy piece of land where belong to somebody we make clear part, and then use the land there, bury foreigner. And so come, all I know, people call that piece of land there blood field. Sake of that, where the prophet Jeremiah did say, come true. Him did say, them take the 30 silver coin them, and that the Israel people them same what? And them take that, buy the piece of land where belong to somebody we make clear part. As same so, the Lord tell me it figure. No. Jesus stand up in front of the governor, and the governor asks him, say, you are the Jew them king? Jesus say, are you say so? And when the leader for the priest them and the Jew leader them say him do all kind of wrong sitting, in ne answer back. Then Pilate said to him, say, you know, hear how much bad sitting them say you do. But Jesus no answer no even one of them. That did surprise the governor. No, in the Passover holiday, the governor always free one prisoner. Anybody where the crowd want. This time, them did lock up one wicked prisoner. Everybody did know him. Him did name Jesus Barabbas. So after the crowd of people gather up, Pilate said to them, say, who uno want me leg of uno now? Jesus Barabbas or Jesus, the one where them call Christ? Because Pilate no, said they only bring in Jesus, call them bad mind. When Pilate they sit down in a special seat as judge for the case, him wife sending the messenger, no have nothing to do with the man there, because he no do nothing wrong. Me have one bad dream about him today. Locks, it make me suffer. But the head priest and Jew elder them push the people them for ask for Barabbas and for make them kill Jesus. The governor asked them, out of the two of them, which one uno want me lego? And the people them say, Barabbas. Pilate said to them, say, then what me fi do with Jesus, where them call Christ? The whole of them say, nail him on the cross. So him say, for what? What wrong him do? But them shout louder than them did a shout first. Nail him on the cross. When Pilate say, him never did a go nowhere with this. But did only rile up the crowd more. Him take water, wash him hand in front of them and say, I know me make the man ya dead. Fim blood, depa funo head. All of the people them say, yeah, blame we. Make him blood come down pan we and we picnic them. Then him let go Barabbas give them. He make them take whip beat Jesus and then give him over for them nail him upon the cross. And God word this. Thank God